Hello everyone, welcome back to New York Tech Life. So what I have here is a two-piece sunshade from Amazon that I purchased recently. Um, so I used to have a one-piece sunshade before, and it used to zag in the middle. So I decided to give it a try for a two-piece sunshade. It comes with a front part and a back part, and then comes with 4 clips and 2 center clips, so that will go that you can attach the front and back piece together. So, and it comes in a box. So yeah, total 8 clips, 4 for the front, 4 for the back, and 2 for the middle. I'll try to install it, and then I'll go through the some like if I have like some trouble or anything like that, I'll detail in the video. So I started off by placing the front one first. So I gotta say it was a little tough because somewhere around this area, between these two areas, it's really tight. But overall, like, what you should do is first put the front sunshade just as is, just push it in and see if it fits. If there's any issues, then you should talk to the seller and see if they can do something about it, if it's really not fitting or like it's super tight. So I put the first one in, and then slowly put these clips, 2 in the front, 2 on this side, 2 on the side. And before I placed the back sunshade, I put the middle clip, and then what I did is I actually placed these 4 back clips, and then pushed it in, and the sunshade, like, I just put the sunshade, like, push the sunshade in. Then I had to like a little bit put a force. I pull it back a little bit and then inserted it. So that's how I did it. It's a little tight here, I gotta tell you this. So so I'm not sure whether that's gonna be a problem or something, but it's okay. No zagging, nothing. So far, yeah, the sun comes through, but it's not that bad. It's a little dark, but overall it looks fitting. So after a while, maybe I'll comment and to see if this area gets like loosen up a little bit. So so you gotta make sure these clips, you gotta make sure there is an angle or like a cut on like 2 sides. That part is the one that actually goes inside this part, and the flat part actually stays above the sunshade. So that's actually the the 2 sides. These 2 sides on the other side is actually like they cut it in an angle so that it's easier to like insert within this part. So overall it looks good. So it's not moving or anything like that. All these clips, you can put it a little bit force, but It's not like loose or anything. Also, like, you know, you can move it around and see the best areas that actually goes in tightly. So overall, it's good. I like it. And I'll comment on um, how effective this will be in like extreme hot temperatures, and also hopefully, you know, there'll be some relief. So, and if you have any questions, you know, you can put that in the comments, and I'll also put the link um, where I purchased this from. It was on Amazon, so I'll put the link, direct link there, so in the comments or the description. So yeah, if you have any question, just let me know, and I'll try to help as much as possible. Thank you, and have a nice day.